Welcome back to the Happy Way Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a refreshing green pina colada smoothie. So today I'm going to be using about a cup of coconut milk, about half a cup of frozen pineapple. You can also use frozen banana if you like. Half a cup of frozen coconut, a cup of ice, and 1 scoop of the Happy Way tropical greens powder. So what I'm going to do is just add everything to the high-speed blender and blend until nice and smooth.